the Geysers Geothermal Complex. The Geysers Geothermal Complex is an impressive feat of engineering and a testament to the potential of geothermal energy. Here are some details about it. Location: the Geysers is located in the Mayacamas Mountains, about 72 miles north of San Francisco, California. Capacity: as you mentioned, the complex has a total installed capacity of 1,520 megawatt, making it the largest geothermal plant in the world by nameplate capacity. Number of power plants: the Geysers is not a single power plant, but rather a complex of 22 separate geothermal power plants. Each plant has its turbines and generators, and they all connect to a common grid. History: the first power plant at the Geysers was built in 1960, and the complex has been expanding ever since. The newest plant, called Unit 22, was commissioned in 2017. Electricity generation: the Geysers generate enough electricity to power over 600,000 homes, or about 1.1 million people. This makes it a significant contributor to California's renewable energy portfolio. Environmental benefits: geothermal energy is a clean and renewable source of energy, and the Geysers helps to reduce California's greenhouse gas emissions. The plant also has a relatively low water footprint compared to other forms of electricity generation. Here are some additional interesting facts about the Geysers. The geothermal reservoir at the Geysers is one of the largest in the world, and it has been producing steam for millions of years. The Geysers is located in a seismically active area, and there have been several earthquakes in the area over the years. However, the power plants are designed to withstand earthquakes. The Geysers is a popular tourist destination, and there are several visitor centers and tours available. Overall, the Geysers Geothermal Complex is an impressive example of how geothermal energy can be used to generate clean and renewable electricity. It is a valuable resource for California and a model for other countries looking to develop their own geothermal resources.